When I opened these up, I said that I wasn't going to test this one, but I just thought I'd have a little fun with this and test the Destroyer just to see how it is. I'm not expecting too much. It's because it's a cheapo, but it looks pretty cool. See? And it feels okay. And it spins. So I thought I would just take a little time and test this one out and see if it's actually halfway decent. So I'm going to go ahead and test the Destroyer. Okay, I got done testing the Destroyer, and despite the fact that this is obviously a cheapo, I'm going to try to take this seriously. First off, the price. You can get these on eBay for $15 to $23 or $24. So it's not a super cheapo, but it's definitely in the cheapo class. It's made out of a cheap metal cast, not machined, and it's painted, and it has these little blue jewels glued onto them that amazingly didn't fly off while I was testing it. That said, I mean, it's not too bad, really. The biggest downside to it is that it's so light. It only weighs 46 grams, so it's not going to get a huge spin time. Spin time was only 3 minutes and 58 seconds on average, but it was very consistent no matter how you held it. It doesn't thump or cause any trouble. It's really smooth. It's pretty fun to play with, actually. So this kind of thing, it's just not as bad as I thought it would be. I gave it an appearance score of 7 because it's a little bit cheesy. Gave it a feel score of 7 because it feels pretty good, and a perceived quality of 4 because it's obviously cheap. One other cool thing about it, it does have this little spiral of little nubs in the button, so it does grip pretty well. So got an overall score of 5.3, mostly because of the poor spin time, which is, in my scale, that's an average score for, that's considering all spinners that I've been testing all this time. This guy's about average. But that said, if you want to spend $15 to $25 and get a pretty decent spinner, it's not bad. So it's not one of those things that's just a piece of junk. They obviously put some time and effort into making it pretty good, but it's manufactured cheaply. It's made out of a cheap metal that's very light. So I'll let you decide what you think of the appearance of that. But it's called the Destroyer by Justkit, and they are still available on eBay. And that's that.